Hey, hello everyone. My name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are seeing how to add multiple users to SharePoint group in the stepwise manner. Like first we create the group, then we add user manually, and then we will automate this process. We will add single as well as multiple users. Let's go to the SharePoint site. Okay, so this site team site I have created here, give a name to that YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel as well if you are new to this, and if you have any suggestion you can add in the comment box as well. So in the YouTube, currently I am only the single member in this site. Okay, and this is the team site. Let's we go to the now settings. In the settings we will go to the site permission. In the site permission, we will go to the advanced permission settings. In advanced permission setting, whenever you first time visit, you have the three groups. Okay, your site name with members, owner, and visitor access. Okay, so these are the permissions. One is having edit, owners having the full control, and visitors having the read permission only. So let's try to create one new group. Okay, let's create a group here. Click on the create group for the creation of group. So it is loading. Let's provide the name to this. I give a name to this YouTube custom group. Owner is set by me. Okay, so that's why my by default name is coming. If you have this, so now we have some of the group settings, means who can view the membership group. We will set this by default all the things. Okay, and then whenever any new users send an email, means for the request purpose, if you user not having the access, then in the you will receive an request option, so you can request and say ask for the membership. So here you can be change that. If you want to add someone user, you can add it here. Then what permission this group should have, so we will use the contribute permission, means they can view, add, update, delete list item and documents of their owns only. Okay, so let's click on the create here. We have some more permission as well. View site permission arguments, we will open that in the new tab and let's see what is that. So this is only the group points. Okay, let's we create it here by default. So friends, if you see, our group is created and each group the member is only me. Okay, if you see in the owners we not have any, now one visitor also we not have, and in the members as well. If you see the URL of these groups, okay, here we will get the ID as well. If you see, the ID is 5 now. Okay, if I click on the visitor, so visitor ID is 4. Okay, and the owner ID is 3. And if I go and click on the custom one, so custom group ID of group is 12. So this we need. So let's we go to the Power Automate to automate this entire process of adding the user. So I am on the Microsoft Power Automate here, friends. I added flow name. Okay, add users to SharePoint group. You can take a trigger anything. Okay, manually or when a SharePoint row is created, modified, any trigger you can take according to your scenario. But for now I taking the manually trigger flow. Let's click on the create here. Then let's perform the action for the single user. So we will use here SharePoint HTTP request action we will use here. Then we will select here the site address. So our site address is YouTube. Then we will select the method, it is post, because we are performing the option. Then we will now let's we use the URI here. Okay, so URI we will use the /API web, then site group get by ID 12. We need pass the group number here. Okay, so how to get that, I showcase you already. You need to go to your group. Okay, here. Okay, and just click on your group. In the URL you get the group ID here that you need to pass. Then let's we go and click on the show advanced parameters. Then we have here we need to pass the header. So in headers we will pass accept application slash JSON semicolon o data type equal to verbs. Same content type. This is same two things you need to pass. Okay, this all the values is available in the our blogs as well in the savage.com. From there you can just simply copy and the access. We need to add the user here, so then we will use your get profile v2 action we will use here. So we will get the user profile here, and we will use here the email ID of the user to whom we need to send this. So for now I will use to the so we are given a Sanika Thorat at the visit TP on Microsoft.com. So for this user we try to add in our group. So proceed. Then let's click on the Windows V, and we will pass here the body here. Okay, so in the body we'll pass the metadata. Here we have the tools underscore, then type sp users in the curly bracket, and then we give the login name here. Okay, to pass the login name to which user we need to give. So all things are done. Let's try and click on the test here. So our flow is saved now. Let's we click on the test here, run the flow, and friends, if you see we added the user in the group. So let's we go and see. So our group is YouTube custom group. So in this you can see we successfully added the Sanika Thorat in this group. So let's give it go and make this process dynamic, so we can add the multiple users to it. So we can take any data source, like mostly we get the bulk data in the Excel format. So let's we go and create one Excel, friends. So I just create one Excel, and in that format you can create. So I will create it from blank, and once it create I will back to you. So friends, if you see I created an Excel. In that we have the two columns, one is user and second one is group. In the user email we have all the users email ID, and the group we are giving the ID here. Okay, so ID on the basis of if it is member equal to 5, visitor equal to 4, owner equal to 3, and custom equal to 12. So in this way we are doing. So let's we go to our Power Automate and add here one Excel action. Okay, let's click on the see more. We will use list row present in the table action. Let's sign in. Let's we select the location here. So location is our OneDrive for business, because we have created it by default in the Excel. So all the files is stored in our OneDrive. Let's we select the file from the folder path. So this is our find SharePoint user bulk access. Let's select the table here. So table is table 1, and let's click on the show all. So we need all the data, so we'll keep it as it is. I didn't get user profile here. we will click on the dynamic content simply, and we will type here user email and click on it. So it will automatic glow in the loop here. Then we will drag and drop our SharePoint HTTP request to this one, okay, and click on the show all action here, okay. So we need to pass this 12 dynamically, so we will click on the power fx here expression to add the expression. We'll use here int function to convert our string into a number format, okay. So search here for the group, okay. So we will get the number and clicking on the add simply. Then just click on the here, so all the things will remain same, okay. And let's try to run our power automate flow. If you have the large number of users, so you can increase the concurrency control and increase the degree of parallelism to the 50, so your flow will run faster and you can add multiple users faster as well. So also we need to do one more step, okay. Let's click on manual and try to run our flow. So all connection are verified. Let's click on the run flow. Before click on done, so in our current groups we have the 0 members in the owners as well, in the visitors as well, okay. Our flow is run, okay. Let's see, I hope, because users have permission. Yep, our flow is run successfully and all the users are getting the access as well. So if you see in the admin we have the admin, then YouTube members, Sakshita, owners, so all the users you have. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and share your thoughts in this video. I hope we are adding some values in your life and your work. So keep sharing, keep contributing. Thank you friends, have a nice day to you.